is ridiculous. Oh, man.
This is getting hit hard.
Come on.
Guess we should have backed them up down the driveway. I need the trees more.
Get back, Nala.
Go grab that big one over there.
Frig.
All right, go, Steve. Go for it.
Are you serious, Steve? Don't go out there. Steve, you're gonna.
Oh, I don't know,
No,
Steve.
don't go out there, dude. It's picking up. Jeez.
Look how big that one is over there.
That's some serious thunder.
Over there.
Yeah. Yeah, I heard it crack. This is crazy.
Now it's raining.
Yeah, the hill's starting to let up. Wow.
That's how Trellis Street maybe.